Hello students, so today we are going to be creating a recycled collage of our pet. And so this is one that I did of a dog, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to draw a cat and a dog, and then you can choose any animal you want to create your own recycled collage pet. All you're going to need is scissors, some drawing tools, an old cardboard from a cereal box, and some newspaper or magazine. So let's get started. Let's learn how to draw some animals. Okay, so before we can create our collage, we need to understand the shapes that create our pet. And so I'm going to show you how to draw a dog and a cat, and then you can choose either a dog, a cat, or any animal to create your collage. So I'm going to write the word of the animal I'm going to draw first, and that's a cat. And I'm going to think about the largest shape. Since I'm going to make this a pet portrait, a picture of the face, I'm going to think about the largest shape that a cat has, and I'm using zigzag lines to show that my cat is furry. Then I want to think about the ears. Does a cat's ears stand up? Do they lay down? And I think a cat's ears stand up. So I'm going to make a triangular shape going up towards the sky. And then I'm going to create a line that is parallel or right next to it to show the inside and outside of the ear. And I'm going to repeat that on the other side of the top of the head to show the cat's ear. Then I'm going to add the details of the face. And so I'm going to add the cheeks of my cat with two circles. And I'm going to use a heart for the nose and a curved line for the mouth. Then I'm going to add some dots to show where the whiskers are and create long, quick lines coming out of the cheeks to show whiskers. And the last detail I want to add is the eyes. And I'm just going to use a simple dot. And now I've created my cat. Now I'm going to show you how to draw a dog. And you can draw any kind of dog you want. I'm going to show you how to draw a boxer. And so the boxer has a large oval size head. So I'm going to use a curved line that almost closes, and right before I close it, I'm going to add his cheeks, which is another curved line that forms almost like a bubble letter U. Then I'm going to add his ears. Unlike a cat where the ears stand straight up, the dog's ears and a boxer's ears hang down. So I'm going to choose a curved line to go out from the top and side of the head that falls down near the middle of the face. And I'm going to repeat that on the other side, adding some bumps to show the folds of the ear. Then I'm going to draw his nose. And so to draw his nose, I'm going to draw a straight line up near our U shape and a curved line to connect. And I'll use a simple dot right above the nose and then add two circles for the nostrils inside the nose. I'm going to use a curved line for the chin and then two curved lines going from the middle, almost the middle of the head, all the way down to the bottom. And now you could add a collar too. A boxer is fun because it has, I'm gonna use a curved line for a collar. And a boxer has a white tummy. So I'm gonna add two diagonal lines to show the white space inside of his tummy. Now it's time that I've practiced my dog and my cat. Now I'm ready to create my collage. So all I need is my cardboard and my magazine or newspaper, and my job is to cut out each of these shapes and look for dark and light spaces to show the different parts of my animal. And so I'm gonna speed this up for you so that you can see how this is done. All right, guys, now it's your turn to create your pet portrait collage. Will it be a cat, a dog, another animal? Don't forget to pay attention to those big shapes, practice drawing first, and then when you're ready to cut out all of the different shapes that make up your animal, look for contrasting colors, colors that are not the same, so that your shapes really stand out. Now let's get creating.